Hey, okay. Hey.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Scotty Show. Tonight we're gonna be reacting to Oopsy, iPhone, and then we got Digger, Big Gun, and then we got Zuko versus the World, eating bullets. I've never heard of Zuko versus the World. I literally just saw it as a recommendation on my YouTube TL feed or whatever. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna click on it. It looks interesting, so I'm gonna react to it. So we got these three right here, man. Shout out to Digger and shout out to Oopsy, man. I fuck with Oopsy heavy. Digger, I've been listening to his music for a minute. I think he's dope. I like the shit that he brings to the table. It's different. You don't really see other people doing it, so I think it's fire. But we're gonna get into this, man. This is a Scotty Show. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all. Let's get into it. Hey, Uzi has been dropping way too many bangers, bro. Like his last music video that I reacted to was a banger, and the one before that was a banger too. I gotta check and see if this dude got any albums out or any mixtapes, bro. I gotta check and see, man.
The only reason I was I ain't tryna work if it's worn. Too many sheep like Sean. I ain't tryna pay for your porn, but your old F steady like Sean. Go back to school, go. Only know me for an iPhone. Send the ILYs when it must have been a typo. Too late, no dimmers on the light bulb. Me the princess, I don't even really like hoes. My goals, busy peas and prosperity. Weekend sipping pig fuckers down Cherry Street. Told my ex take a picky and remember me. How many moons till I got in my memory?
Fire, bro. Shout out to Oopsy, bro. Definitely gotta react to the album, man. We'll get into the next song, man.
Alright. I got a little story going something like this. I'm talking strip out back of a truck. If she looking to get dirty, we be hitting it off with a big gun, bigger the game.
I wonder if he has any shows, bro. I'm gonna YouTube that shit. I'm gonna see if he has any shows, bro. Like, dude, there's no way this guy is not like doing at least like bar shows and selling out. He should be at least selling out bar shows in the city, bro. If not, like, you know what I'm saying? He should be doing bar shows in the city, bro. Like, he should, like, wherever he's from, dude, he should be like the most famous nigga there. 100%.
Need a big wall, bigger the bang with a strip out back of a truck. If she looking to get dirty, we be hitting it off.
Damn, they robbing, bro. That's crazy.
With a big gun, bigger the game. Need a big wall, bigger the bang with a. Now y'all thought that was wild? Yeah, let me run it back real quick. Yeah, it was on summer night. We was cruising down the middle of the old 85. Said she pray we heads tied, and she's down for the ride. So I pull up to the woods and turn that Jesus around. With her head down there and my hands on a boobie. Put my 45 down and she passed me the doobie. Say she's from my hometown and she's friends with a Judy. And if she's down and get groovy, then we could go make a movie. Damn!
Yo, this nigga low-key the next Kid Rock, bro.
Call that movie Josie Wheels. I won't whipping out that pistol while they both be on their knees. Bang! What the hell is wrong with me? I was letting off too loosely, but was aiming for the head. I'm talking strip out back of a
That's so funny. He does the
truck. If she looking to get dirty, we be hitting it off with a big gun, bigger the game. Need a big wall, bigger the bang with a strip out back of a truck. If she looking to get dirty, we be hitting it off with a big gun, bigger the game. Need a big wall, bigger the bang with.
There's no way that Theo Von does not have him bro. Theo Von needs to get Digger on his podcast, bro. I swear to God. That would be a legendary interview. Or like, bro, I would pay money to see Digger and like Riff Raff fucking do a podcast together or like do like some type of like interview, bro. Like that should be fire.
I was looking at that phone when they was stole. More than God's name, what they putting in that dough. Now I'm nodding at them with them both eyes low. And Russia pulling out their cuffs. Yeah, I'm laid down and I'm chained up to the handle in the backseat. Yeah, I'm rough hard with the pants off, passed out in my own G. I've been snoring while she pulling out my wallet, out my jeans. As she trying to take the buckle, but the buckle ain't gon' easy, baby. What it is, what it is. I was made to get them bands, but I'm a sucker for the kids. Hey, and I was looking for the pace, but they took it with the baggies, and they took it with a case. Cause we was stripped out back of a truck. If she looking to get dirty, we been hitting it off with a big gun, bigger the game.
Bro, why does this dude have so many Russian fans? Any fuss, a simple village boy, no show off, just as simple as you and me. This is crazy. Real country music. I swear to God. You want to tell me what Built Dog is called or where I can buy it? Dude, why does he have so many Russian? Dude, this is crazy. Is he like just famous in Russia? Or is he Russian? Or is he Europe? Bro, is he really from Europe, bro? Because I remember somebody in the Discord telling me that he's actually from Europe. I need to know, bro. I need to find out, bro. This is crazy, bro.
Big wall, bigger the bang with a flip out back of a truck. If she looking to get dirty, we been hitting it off with a.
Yeah, man. I'm flabbergasted right now, bro. This is crazy. Shout out to Digger, bro. Are you gonna get to Zuko versus the world? And the song's called Eating Bullets. The Digger song was called Big Guns.
Could be a superstar on your eyes cold, crash screen, iPhone, let go, solo, iPhone, no go, dark room, eyes cold, crash screen, iPhone, let go, solo, iPhone, no go. I don't wanna
This is actually fire. No, that was fire. I did not expect that. Low-key reminds me of like Two Hollis, and then like it's like Two Hollis meets like Kid Cudi meets like Post Malone. That's a crazy mashup right there. That's a crazy mashup. Two Hollis, Kid Cudi, and Post. That's honestly that's a S tier build right there, man. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section, man. I really fuck with all three of these videos right here. Fire. I like them. I like the music too. It was fire, man. But yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comment section. This is the Scotty Show. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank y'all. Peace out.
Hey. Okay. Hey. Hey.